guys, let's pray together.
Okay, I will check the attendance, each of you. If I call your name, please raise your hand, correct? Okay, Miss. Okay, Miss. Rila. Reni. Saya. Miss. Ratu. Miss. Rehan. Ais. Miss. What are you doing, Ais? Nothing, Miss. Dan Novia. Present, Miss. Rosyada. Miss. And Najwa. Okay, no one answer today, right? No, Miss. Okay. Before we go to what's serial, can you read it? Yes. Wait. News items. Okay. Can everyone now stand up, please? I will give you a question. If you can answer the question, you can stand up. And if you cannot answer the question, you may stand up until our lesson is over. Okay? Arkan Sanis. The question is, have you ever read a news? Please raise your hand. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay, Najwa. What kind of news that you use? That you read?
News. Garudo.
Okay, Garuda. Yes. No. Not ready. And then, where do you usually get news? Newspaper. Newspaper. Are you sure you read the news from newspaper, Naya? My father. Okay, Naya.
Tadi saya juga
Yes, your father. You may sit down. And Naya is from your father. And any other? Wait. And any other? In internet, like what?
Maybe in criminal news.
No, yeah, like which platform, like Google? Yeah, what the name of the platform?
Google Miss.
Yes, the platform, the radio. What? Okay. And which channel? Okay. Kompas News or Kompas TV?
Kompas News.
Okay. CNN. Yes. CNN News. CNN. Web. No. In TV. Okay. In X. In X. Oh, Meta. Okay. CNN. BBC News. Okay. You are very so update, right? Can you give me example of the famous news in your present life?
di Sumatera.
Okay. Good, like Rehan said, we will watch a video about
Destruction.
destruction. And then there is a man who lost his wife, right? And then maybe they lost their home. Yes. They lost everything. They lost their anything. Now, the kind of information that we give, the kind of this is important, right? This is important for us because maybe it can aware us about why we should protect our forest, why we should raise our awareness about the floods, not just and tsunami and something like that. So, news item. So, news item is a text that informs about the important event or noteworthy events. It focuses on events that are considered newsworthy for the public. It's a like accident, achievement, natural disaster, or public announcement. The example for accident is like maybe the truck crashed in the city Joloi. It's kind of accident. And then the achievement is maybe Indonesia is enjoying the World Cup. It's kind of achievement. Then natural disaster like we see before, like floods. It is a natural disaster or public announcement. Public announcement is maybe like public announcement from government and from natural. Okay. So far, did you get it?
Yes.
Do you have any question?
No.
Good. Can we move to the example? Who want to read the paragraph one? Najwa from
Brewers and residents at North Sumatra and West Sumatra face unimaginable destruction as late November 2025 broke extreme rainfall superseding 300 mm. The downpour intensified by tropical cyclone Senya transformed normally calm bright rivers into violent torrents that swept away homes, public facilities, and essential infrastructure. Facilities and essential infrastructures according to BNPB data recorded on December 4, 2025, the disaster resulted in 700 confirmed death, 564 missing, and 1,000 injured. Several areas remain inaccessible for days due to landslides blocking major roads.
okay, and then the paragraph two. Who want? Oh, you. Okay. Go on.
Large land use changes including palm oil plantation expansion, meaning riverside housing, the Batam Toro hydropower project, and illegal forging across the Bukit Barisan range further. Worsen the disastrous impact with vegetation cleared, water flow rapidly downhill, triggering flash flood. Anissa stressed the urgent need to upstream water stream rehabilitations, better and land use regulations, reforestation, and standards early warning systems. Relocation remains a last resort solution for communities living directly in flood and landslide paths.
Okay, thank you, Najwa. After Najwa read the example, I want you guys to identify that kind of information. Do you know what is 5W plus 1H? It is familiar, right?
Yes.
This usually we use for identify to search the information from the text, right?
Yes.
So now I want you guys to identify there are 6. And then what happened in the text is what? And then why? Okay, why? Because what? You can find it in the this one, the foundation. No.
So because
Where?
Let's like block together.
I think it's this.
Oh, let's like use change including from oil plantation.
Yes. Little bit. And then how it can happen? How the process? How you can get the process? Process of foods, they have. From what is not mean? Is it like let language can be something Oh my god, you're so smart. From the large okay. That's all of the kind of information that usually we use to get the information from text, right? It is also used when we want to get to know what is news. And then we move to the generic structure. We move to the generic structure. The generic structure, there are three main generic structures. The first one is newsworthy event. The newsworthy event that is the most important. This is the newsworthy is explained for this. This is explain about what, where, when, and who. This is like main if a human body is like a head. And then the background event. The background event is tell more about what, where, when, and who. That's why they is usually explain about additional event, about additional information like why and how. You got it?
Yes.
Did I explain to you the process?
No,
Yes. And then the social function. The social function. The news item is a function to inform readers about significant events, like we read before, like we watched before, like we have been sick before, foods, maybe sports, and then what? Celebrities, yes. And then explain why the event is important. Why the event is important? Maybe it's just for raise our awareness and then make us a warning. For maybe sport event is for people who like sport. It is depend on our interest. And then provide details in clear and factual. Because this is news item, not narrative text. So the sentence is clear. It's just a short and clear, and also factual, and based on the fact. Not we cannot write if we write a news. And the last memorize awareness and acts. Okay, and the last is language features. There are 6 main language features that usually in the news items. The first one is action verb because news item is tells about events, the things that happen. So the verbs that we use is action, and then they use past tense. Past tense use because in news item, we usually refer the event that already happened in the past. That's why we use a past event, a past tense. And then second verb is usually is for report what people say. Maybe if we report the eyewitness say, we report the police say, and we end up with our others. And then our adverb of time and place. In news items, we should conclude the time and the place. It's like when the event is happened, and when the event is happened on yesterday, on Monday, or on the airport and others. And then short and factual sentence, like I said before, because this is news item. The sentence is short. It's just clear. Not we cannot say our feeling or our opinion. And the last is headline, written in simple and direct form. So the headline, written is a clear way, in a simple way, to make people interesting to read our news. Okay. Before we move to the next session, do you guys have any question, or maybe do you have any do you guys have any question?
Mommy.
You sure?
Yes.
Are you really understand?
Yes.
Really understand me? Okay. I will complete you into 2 groups. So please do that. Okay, this line is group 1 and this line is group 2. In this activity, in this activity, you should answer activity 1 and activity 2. The activity 1 gue udah belum jawab masih kemarin.
Nah, yang belum jawab masih.
Iya,
Bukan dulunya.
you must write your answer, not just like. Okay, Miss. No, not Azra. You should answer by yourself. Why you cry? Yeah, Miss also. It's okay. No, finish. Oh, you should answer.
Cames.
You have a 6 minute left. Okay.
Not yet, please. Not yet.
You cannot say it like that here.
Ah, sorry.
Miss, why Ryan pegang telepon?
Iya, Miss.
Because he was old.
What was this?
Yes, I want to ask you. Miss Ryan, even like I said before, I was explain to you guys there are 3 machinery structure. What is? Oh, well. Naya, please look at me. Look at this. The main event is tells about what, when. Sometimes who, why, and how in the first paragraph, and sometimes in the next paragraph. And then background events is tells more about that. Tells more about that for. It's like why and how. And then sources is No, you should. Oh, yes, we can see here that like I said before, the white is only so how is this? Because color is the titik is under the confirm. So how can the confirm it? He explained from he explained until this. Where do you want to go? Where did? Please hurry up, guys. Your exam is 1 minute left. Give me 5 minutes more time. Miss, why he is walking in Miss? He's not work with the group, Miss.
How?
Wow. So it can be cancelled. That's good. That's from the power.
Aduh, mati aku.
That's why I put this. But you cannot look at your friends. I'm not touching my friend. I'm fine. Okay. Okay, you missed some. Okay, miss. Miss, also was right now. Okay, sit down. Okay, group two. Is it the correct answer? No.
No.
Yes, miss. What is wrong?
The first one in what happened is we answered. The minister confirmed that ethanol blended coal meets national standard.
The minister? Who is the minister? So the answer is same. Correct. And then the second answer. Is it correct? Correct. And then the third answer. Are you sure?
Yes.
And then the fourth. Who is?
But
Oh. And then why? Why Bahlil is saying? I think you guys is wrong.
because the public is complained to minister means.
Good. Good, group two. The answer is
Yes, maybe group 2 environment of the class.
yes. Very good. Yes, right. The correct answer.
Miss.
Miss, wait.
Duluan.
You should pay attention to your friends outside.
But I read that. Miss.
Please, you should pay attention to your friends.
Yes, miss.
Also, you guys
Attention for my friends, miss.
Yes.
Miss.
Okay, is it correct?
Yeah.
You sure? Okay. The answer
one paragraph.
Okay, can you read it from
The first paragraph.
yes, read it from the first one. All
The Minister of Energy and Mineral Resource, Bahlil Lahadalia, confirmed that the ethanol blending fuel sold in Indonesia complies with government standards. He said that all fuel products distributed to gas stations, both state-owned and private, have passed quality tests in the accordance with government regulation.
okay, good. And then the background even is the Bahlil responded to public complaints about the findings of performance after the use of ethanol fuel. He explained that ethanol is safe as long as the blend remains below 20% and meets the required purity level 99.95%.
Empat.
He also required the government's plan to introduce mandatory test and fuel, which contains 10% ethanol. However, the policy cannot be implemented in the near future because the ethanol industry is still being prepared. Ethanol production will rely on sugarcane and cassava following the president's directive to develop the national ethanol industry. To support the transition toward higher biofuel use, the government plans to build ethanol plants in several regions, including Marawi and Kalimantan. Okay, is it correct? Correct. And then the last is sources. Who is the confirm about the ethanol? Read.
Statement from Ministers of Energy and Minerals Resources Paragraph dan Rida SI Detik Store Application Event.
Okay, good. Okay. This is the government. Okay, next we move to the individual assignment. No. You cannot. No, because our lesson is almost over. So you should do it over. Okay, please. The second assignment is also identify about 5 and 6 component of this. It's like when
Yes.